Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. We're discussing whether or not we're going to have to deal with, how long we'll have to deal with Thailand Pass. This is a hotly discussed topic, whether or not it will eventually go away. And the next question being, what about border runs? And the reason I started thinking about this, recent article from Thai PBS World, that's thaipbsworld.com. Article is titled, Thailand-Malaysia Border Crossings Reopen After 2 Years. Quoting directly, land border checkpoints between Thailand and Malaysia have reopened today, Friday, after being closed for more than 2 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And that is just, wow, that just puts a real fine point on it for me. This has been 2 years. We've been talking about this for 2 years. I can remember March of 2020, doing the videos talking about the emergency decree coming online and the close downs and everything. And I never thought, I remember at the time thinking it was probably going to be about a month. I never in a million years would have thought it'd be 2 years before land borders between Malaysia and Thailand would reopen. Quoting directly, a main checkpoint in Sadao district of Thailand's southern province of Songkhla saw about 20 Malaysians out of 107 quote-unquote Thailand Pass applicants pass through. Numerous immigration and health officials were deployed to screen the arrivals. Those who wish to enter Thailand via land checkpoints must register for the Thailand Pass, have both travel and health insurance, and pay for the RT-PCR test on arrival in Thailand. So, in theory, at least on the Thai-Malaysian border, it's possible to undertake a border run. Now, as we've discussed in other videos, and as noted in this article, you're still going to have to get a Thailand Pass in order to undertake a border run in Thailand and deal with whatever entry requirements presently Malaysia has you deal with in order to enter Malaysia. Now, as we've discussed in another video in how long it takes to get a Thailand Pass, you're looking at 3 to 7 days in processing time. So, at least for the moment, the logistics of a border run is not the same thing as it once was. It's not what folks are probably pretty used to who've done border runs in the past. I did border runs years ago when I had a multi-entry business visa. You go out to the border, basically somebody drives you out there usually, you hop over, you get checked in and out of both countries, and that's it. You get checked back into Thailand, and boom, in that case, another 90 days on my business visa. So, but that's not possible right now. Presumably you're going to spend time in Malaysia if they want to hold you or hold you in quarantine or whatever, and then you got to get a Thailand Pass to get back in. So you may be able to front load some of that, maybe not. But long story short, border running of the past is not presently a possibility.